Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another exciting, amazing episode of Taking Stuff Out of a Box, where we take stuff out of a box. All right, super special episode today. I've got something really cool on the chopping block I've been dying to try out. It's just been sitting over on the other side of the control room for the last couple days while I'm editing videos. It's going, play with me, play with me. And we got something really amazing. It comes from the land of the ice and snow. No, that's not true. It comes from the land of fish and chips, Monty Python, Benny Hill, Judas Priest, Black Sabbath, Iron Maiden, and most importantly, bad news. Oh, jeez. Oh. Great big box of fun from the company with the great big N on their name, and that would be AMS Neve. Now, for all of you guys wondering, are they paying me? Yeah, I fucking wish. Now, in interest in full disclosure, I am a signed endorsee with the AMS Neve brand. They're kind of the company I've been dreaming about working with ever since I first got into recording bands. So this is kind of a bucket list dream come true thing for me, and it's my honor and privilege to be doing the very first video on this. Let's take a look here. Okay. Oh, that's awesome. Now, here's the thing. Neve did say I have an open invitation to go visit them in England and do a factory tour video, something I really, really want to do. Unfortunately, you know, with the whole coronavirus lockdown and breakout and all that crap, it might be a while before that happens. I am planning on doing what you would say a Spectre Sound UK tour sometime in the future, where I'm going to be checking out Neve for one, Laney, and Cranbourne as well, and possibly a couple other things. I've been talking with my very good friend Adam Steele over at Hot Pole Studios, and we're talking about, you know, doing a few collabs and whatnot, because he's just an awesome dude, and he's the kind of guy I want to make videos with. So, now this is the Neve 1073 OPX. This is brand new. This is 8 channels of Neve 1073s with a digital back end on them. Now, this is already highly controversial on gearsnobs.com because they're saying it has to have output transformers to be a real 1073. Well, not everybody, just the, you know, ultra Puritan snobs who nothing made past 1968 could possibly be any good. That kind of crowd. For us mere mortals, though, I think this thing is probably going to fit the bill rather nicely and should be pretty cool. But so what did they give us here? They gave us Neve outboard range. Just a heads up, guys at Neve, yes, feel free to send me a few of these whenever you feel like. Ooh, the Neve Genesis Black. I don't know. You think we get one of those in here? Yeah, might squeeze. Another Neve Genesis Black, and ooh, Neve BMC 10. Wow, we had one of these back at Harmony there for a little while, and that was all sorts of fun. We get a giant wall wart of some sort. That's cool, and comes in with a little thing like this. I'm seeing these all over the place. I saw this one of these with the Cranbourne and the Blackline audio unit as well, so that's cool. Nice to see these are showing up like so. A bag of goodies. Ooh. I know everyone's like, let's see the preamp, Glenn, what the hell? Yeah. Ooh, they sent me some stickers, pens. Oh, and some lanyards as well. Hey, how freaking cool is that? Ooh. It says Neve. Oh, that's so cool. I'm just totally fangirling right now. Oh my God, it's Neve! And we're just gonna see how we can lift this out of here without scratching it. Now this is a 1073 for the 2020s. It has the analog front end, but it's got a digital back end as well. So on the front panel we have rotary encoders. Wow, look at that. They don't stop, they don't end, they just go. Now the original Neves had stepped inputs and would go in 5 dB increments. This goes in 1 dB increments, so you can get pinpoint accuracy with stereo fields, which is really great. So we've got phantom power, negative 25 dB pad, low Z microphone impedance input, which is great. So if you're using ribbon mics or large diaphragm dynamics like an SM7B, you can kick that in and it makes all the difference in the world, because the SM7B really does need an awful lot of gain, so that really helps. IP, not sure what that is. Oh, that's probably the connection on the back. Front connection. Oh, so it's switchable between front and back. That's awesome. So one of the biggest problems I have with the API 512C is that you don't have a switch to go between your front input and your rear input. If you hook them both up, they both work, which is a big pain in the ass. That's why I don't use those preamps that much when I'm doing stuff in here. They're more for out in the drum room. And we got an 80 hertz low frequency roll off, different USB modes, Dante as well, and mono. Okay, this is a headphone output. Apparently you can do some basic summing with this just for like 2 channels to your headphones, I think. I could be wrong. Maybe you can sum them all. We'll see. On the back panel, this is where the fun is. We've got monitor out left and right, monitor in left and right. Wow. Does this function as a sound card? I think it does actually, because we've got Ethernet audio over Dante. So we can just hook this up directly to a network card and into a computer. I'm gonna try experimenting with that because I got no idea how Dante works. I've never messed with any of it. It's a slightly different format than AES 67, which Anthony Kazoob was ranting and raving about a couple years ago at AES. And it's really cool what's going on with digital audio over Ethernet, where you can send a metric fuckload of signals over just a simple Cat5 or Cat6 cable. Here we've got mic inputs, 1 to 8. Line inputs 1 to 8. Wow, that's different. Word clock in and out, obviously for tying into digital systems. I'm hopefully got enough word clock cable kicking around here. I think I do. I think I should be okay. Hook this up to my Fireface. And outputs 1 to 8. So this is great. This is DB25 connectors here, and that can hook right up to my patch bay. I'm still not figured out exactly how I'm hooking this up yet, where it's going to go in my rack or any of that. I am concerned. Hopefully it doesn't generate a shit ton of heat. Hopefully I'm not going to overheat the damn thing. But ideally, I would like to go right out of this thing into a converter of some sort. I might go the USB audio output and then right on the computer run it as an aggregate device right alongside my Fireface. That might do the trick. I might go Ethernet, or I might hook this, take the analog out of this and put it to the patch bay and then put it into the computer over my Audient ASP880, which has a DB25 analog input. That way I can hook this up to a patch bay and I can run it out to compressors and EQs and all that good stuff. Now, a few of the snobs over at Gear Sluts were kind of bitching because this doesn't have output transformers. They were even going as far as to say it wasn't a real 1073. But for those of us who are adventurous enough, yeah, I think I want to check this out. They were also bitching that it didn't have channel inserts, but again, you can come out of the line outputs and drop something in between that and another converter. Or you can just go digital out and then hook it up to your Cranbourne even and run it into your analog gear that way. There's numerous ways around. Now, if this were 1995 and we're all on ADATs, there might be a little bit of concern there, but these days, maybe not so much. Maybe we can just work with the technology and get back to making music instead of worrying so much about it. So I'm going to sign off right now, but I'm going to leave you with a suggestion. Please hit the subscribe button so you get notified when the full review for this thing comes out. I'm going to put this thing through its paces over the next couple weeks, and then I'll do a full review once I've got a good idea of how it sounds and how to work with it and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, all that great stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.